Good afternoon, students. I'm Rana Khalil from Al Bashair Technical Academy. This lesson is for 10th grade. Students book, page number 15 and 16. And we will answer also activity book, page number 14. First of all, open your students box, page number 15. Okay, page number 15. Reading. We will read this article. It's about rainforests, and we will fill in the blanks using the words in the yellow box. Complete the article with the words from the box. Insects حشرات. Extinct ينقرض. Plants نباتات. Surface سطح. Oxygen Logging قطع. Species أنواع. Okay. Rainforests cover 6% of the Earth's surface. 6% من سطح الأرض. The biggest forests are in South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. About 75% of all of animals we know live in the rainforests. All species, two species. I will write number 2. 2 species, okay? Including some beautiful birds and reptiles. Insects, excellent. Insects is number 3, okay? Many of them live in the trees over 30 meters above the ground. There are also thousands of different plants. Excellent. Plants for plants. It is hot in the rainforest and the ground is wet. The rainforests are very important for us because they make the oxygen. Excellent. Oxygen. Number 5 is oxygen. Okay. Oxygen that we breathe. يتنفس. They also help to control the weather. In many rainforests, loggers have already cut down trees because farmers want the land. Some of the animals that live in the forest have become. What happened to the animals? Excellent. Extinct. انقرضت. 6. Extinct. Seven. Logging. ما ضلش غيرها, okay? Logging is a big problem today in much of the world. We must save the rainforests. They haven't disappeared yet, but they are in danger. So, these are the answers. Number 7. 7 is logging, okay? These are the answers of exercise number 6. Now we have a question. Speaking in groups, discuss what people can do to save the rainforest. What people can do. Speaking miss راح يجيك في الامتحان سؤال speaking. How can you help the rainforest, or what can you do to save rainforests? الغابات المطيرة. شو بنعمل عشان ننقذها. Okay. Now I've answered it for you. People haven't done enough to save the rainforest. We must do much more. Logging has already become a big problem. We must educate. What's the meaning of educate? Educate means نعلم. Educate people. لازم نعلم الناس about the importance of the rainforest. So we must educate people about the importance of rainforest. إيش أهمية أو ضرورة الغابات المطيرة إلنا كبيئة لحياة. we said we must educate people about the importance of the rainforest. Now go to question number 8. Question number 8. Writing. Write a paragraph about why we should protect the rainforest. Why we should protect the rainforest. First, write about why the rainforest is important. Then write about how we can save them. This is your homework, okay? You will write to me a paragraph about 5 lines. You will discuss main points. Why إيش أهمية rainforest بالنسبة لنا. Why the rainforests are important. And how we can save it. Okay? This is your homework for today. Now go to page number 16 and open your students book, page number 16. And now go to your students book, page number 16. First of all, look at the pictures. We have 2 pictures. This picture is about a city in Jordan, and this is the iris flower, السوسنة السوداء. It is the national flower of Jordan. زهرة الوطنية في الأردن. Now we will read this paragraph and we will discuss it. First, we have 2 questions. What places do you think visitors to Jordan would like to see? What places? إيش الأماكن؟ ما هي الأماكن? If we have a visitor will come to Jordan, he would like to see. I think Ajloon Nature Reserve, Petra, Jerash, the Dead Sea, and Wadi Rum. Excellent. 2. Read Julia's email. This is an email. Excellent. To Sally. So the email is from Julia to Sally about her visit to Jordan. Which places does she mention? ذكرت إن أماكن في الأردن. In this email, we will see what are the places that she mentioned there. Okay? Hi Sally. Hello from Jordan. I'm here on holiday with my family. I've already been here for a week. Although I haven't seen all of the sites yet. Sites, مناظر. Excellent. I've already been to some interesting places. We went to Ajloon Forest Nature Reserve yesterday. Ajloon Forest محمية عجلون. Okay, أو غابات عجلون. The nature reserve has protected all of the animals since 1978 CE. I saw a lot of animals that I have never seen before. The hyenas, like the hyenas. Hyenas يا مس هو الضبع. Okay. Wolves, the wolves اللي هم إيش؟ الذئاب. Excellent. My favorite animal was the porcupine. Porcupine is a nice. Okay. The reserve is also special because of trees. There are many trees that we don't have in Britannia. Like pistachio. Pistachio. What is pistachio? الفستق الحلبي. Okay. Pistachio, الفستق الحلبي. Draw a circle on it. Strawberry, الفراولة. And carob trees, الخروب. We also saw the black iris flower, زهرة السوسنة السوداء. Okay, the black iris flower, السوسنة السوداء. This is This flower is special because it is the national flower of Jordan اللي هي الزهرة الوطنية للأردن. Okay. There are also orchid and tulips اللي هي زهرة الأوركيد وزهرة التوليب. زهرة التوليب. A guide showed us around the reserve. In the spring and summer, visitors can stay in cabins. Cabins اللي هي أكواخ. داخل المحمية في أكواخ. Okay. At the reserve. I'd like to stay there next time we visit. It sounds very exciting. Tomorrow we're going to visit the Roman theater. So tomorrow in Jerash. So tomorrow she's going to visit the Roman theater in Jerash. We're also going to visit Amman soon. I'm very excited. The weather here has been lovely. It is warm and sunny. I haven't taken many photographs. ما تصورت كتير, okay, yet. But I still have 2 more weeks here. I hope you liked the postcard I sent. See you soon, Julia. So, this is an email from Julia to Sally. Julia has been to Ajloon Nature Reserve. She will go to the Roman Theater. So, what are the places that, and question number 2, شايفينه يا مس? What are the 2 places that Julia has mentioned in the paragraph? اللي هي أجلون Forest Nature Reserve and the Roman Theater in Jerash. Excellent. What are the animals, or mention some of the animals that she has seen? What are the animals? Porcupine and wolves. Hyenas. Excellent. What are the trees? Mention some of the trees that she has mentioned. Pistachio and strawberry. Carob. Excellent. What are flowers that she has mentioned? Tulip flower, orchid flower, زهرة الأوركيد وزهرة التوليب. What can visitors do in this nature reserve? They can stay in cabins في أكواخ, and they can watch the sunset and the sunrise. Did she have a nice time there in Jordan? Yes, and she was very excited. Okay, so this is the summary of this text. Now we will go to question. We have questions. Grammar. The present perfect with yet and already. Some of the following sentences are wrong. Underline the mistake, then correct it, and put a tick next to the correct sentence. بدنا نحط tick next to the correct sentence according to the text. Julia has been to Ajloon Forest Nature Reserve yet. عنا yet وعنا has been. اوكي انا ما راح اجاوب, راح اخليك وقت تفكر. اوكي. 2. Julia has already taken some photos. Julia ذكرت في النص انها Julia has already taken some photos. 3. Julia hasn't already seen the hyenas and wolves. Hasn't. Already seen the hyenas and the wolves. 4. Julia hasn't seen the Roman theater in Jerash. Already hasn't seen the Roman theater. وعنا already. 5. Julia hasn't stayed in cabins at the nature reserve yet. Now we will discuss the correct answer. Now these are the answers of exercise number 3, sorry. Julia hasn't been to the Rainforest Nature Reserve yet. Julia hasn't taken any photos yet. Julia hasn't seen the hyenas and the wolves yet. Julia has already seen the Roman theater in Jerash. Julia has already stayed in the cabin in the nature reserve. Exercise number 4. Write your own sentence about the places you have been to or in Jordan. Okay. And I wrote an example to you يا miss اللي هو إيش I have already been to Aqaba but I haven't been to Karak yet. Okay. مع already حطينا positive with yet negative sentence. Okay. Now go to exercise number 5. Okay. Now we'll go to exercise number 5. Now go to page number 17. We have a vocabulary exercise. Animals, trees, and flowers. Write the animals and trees and flowers from the email in exercise 2 in the correct column. Animals, trees, flowers. When I explained the text, I mentioned the type of them, okay? I've answered them to you on this page. Animals, hyena, wolf, porcupine. Trees, pistachio, strawberry, carob. Flowers, black iris, orchid, and tulip. Okay, so these are the answers of exercise number 5. Now go to reading text. Also we have another reading text. It's a leaflet منشور or brochure about 2 types of trees, why they are special or why are they special مميزين. Okay, the oldest trees on earth أقدم الأشجار. The oldest trees on earth أقدم الأشجار على سطح الأرض. We have 2 kinds or 2 types of trees, bristlecone pines and the woolly pines. نوعين من أشجار الصنوبر. Each type of them نعيد bristlecone pines and woolly pines. bristlecone pines هو نوع الصنوبر اللي بيكون خشن يامس، اللي بتكون حبة اللي بيكون على الشجر خشنة وفي فراغات بينها. لكن woolly pines اللي هي بتكون مرصوصة رص، شجرة الصنوبر بتكون حبة الثمرة اللي عليها مرصوصة رص وما في فراغات بينها، النوع الناعم. Okay, I will explain each one of them. They are in California. موجودين في California, USA. They are the oldest trees alive in the world today. أقدم الأشجار الحية على سطح الأرض. Some are more than 4,000 years old. أكثر من 4,000 سنة. The rings in their wood show how much they've grown. Scientists, العلماء, use these rings to see how the world's climate has changed. They grow very slowly, so they grow very slowly, about 14 meters in 3,000 years. تخيلوا لمدة في 3,000 years, in 3,000 years they grow 14 meters. بس 14 متر في 3,000 سنة. The woolly pines, they are the oldest species من أقدم أنواع الأشجار in the world. Fossilized معناها تحجرت. Remains okay, fossilized and تحجرت. Remains show they existed. يعني الأحافير والأحاجير الموجودة إنها موجودة 110 million years ago، قبل 110 ملايين سنة. They grew in the rainforest before Australia became a continent. قبل ما تصبح أستراليا قارة. continent قارة. They grew when there were dinosaurs. من أيام ما كان في موجود ديناصورات على سطح الأرض on earth. The climate was different then. They still grew when plants and animals died and the climate changed. Some trees of this type still exist in Australia. لسه موجود منها في أستراليا. Nobody knows how old these trees are. ما حد بيعرف عمرهم. Scientists want to save them. They still didn't reveal their research. Scientists want to save them. They still didn't reveal their precise location. Precise بالضبط مكانهم الدقيق وين هم موجودين exist where are they existed. okay they grow very fast بنمو بسرعة are some are 40 meters high بعضها تقريبا 40 متر لكن this kind 14 meters in 3000 years. okay so why are these two kind of trees special ليش هدول نوعين of these trees are special. They are special because they are the oldest trees on earth. من أقدم أنواع هي أقدم أنواع الشجر الموجودة على سطح الأرض. Now go to exercise number 7. Speaking and writing. So these are pictures. These are pictures of these two, yes, Bristol pines and Wollemi pines. Speaking and reading. How are the Bristol pines and the Wollemi pines different? Read the information again, take notes and compare, contrast your idea with your partner. بدنا نوجد الفرق between the two kinds of the trees and we will draw this in a paragraph or in a table. 8. Use the information in exercise 6. Write your notes in exercise 7. Write a leaflet about how the other oldest trees in the world. Use the leaflet above as a model for you to write your own research and including a picture. رح نعمل إن شاء الله بريشور أو معلومة عن نبتة أو شجرة معينة موجودة من أقدم أنواع الشجر نرفق معها صورة ونضيفها. هلأ بدنا أول شيء first of all we will find the differences. أول شيء بدنا نحل exercise. Now these are the answers of question number 7 اللي هي the differences between Bristol pines and Wollemi pines. Okay, Bristol pines grow very slowly تنمو ببطء. Okay, but the Wollemi pines grow very fast. Nobody knows how old the living Wollemi are, but the Bristol pines are more than 4,000 years old. The exact الضبط أو الدقيق location of the Wollemi pines is a secret. No one knows where are they, but the Bristol pines are found in California. That's all for today. Thank you and thanks for listening. Don't forget to write the answers on your box and on your questions notebooks. Thank you. Thanks for listening.